Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to update your Ledger Nano X. First, ensure your device has at least 60% battery charge. It's also a good idea to close any other applications running on your computer that might interfere with the update. Then, simply connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB-C cable that came with your device. This prepares your device for a smooth and successful firmware update. Once your Ledger Nano X is connected, open the Ledger Live application on your computer. You'll find the Manager section in the left-hand menu. Click on it. Ledger Live will then prompt you to allow access to your device. Simply confirm this action on your Ledger Nano X by pressing both buttons simultaneously. This step is crucial for Ledger Live to communicate with your hardware wallet. Within the Manager section, Ledger Live will automatically detect if a new firmware update is available for your Nano X. You'll see a clear notification. Click the Update button and carefully follow the instructions displayed on your screen. During this process, you will need to confirm the update directly on your Ledger Nano X by pressing both physical buttons. This ensures your explicit consent for the firmware installation. Once the firmware update is complete, Ledger Live will confirm its success. It's a good practice to navigate back to the Manager section to verify the new firmware version. Also, take a moment to ensure all your previously installed applications, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, are still present. If any applications are missing, don't worry. You can easily reinstall them directly through Ledger Live without affecting your crypto assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.